All right, we're gonna be doing a herringbone tile here on our floor, and this is virtually what it's gonna look like. And all that we're doing right now is taking these tiles, they're gonna be our start, up against the shower curb and put a 45-degree angle on them. We know that this is square because we built it, but I also tested with the 3, 4, 5 on this. So once that's confirmed, we know we can do a 45-degree angle right up against the curb. We're gonna work our way from here out this way. Herringbone seems kind of intimidating at first, but it's really not. Once you get it started, it's just as easy as any other tile. And honestly, I think it's easier than other types in a certain way. Only annoying part is that you're cutting on 45-degree angles a lot. But come on, it's not that bad. So I start to lay out my pattern here, and then I'm just gonna roll with it and take all of these, dry stack them first. That's what I like to do, and get it all set up. And then once I get like roughly around here, all dry stacked, mix some mud and just start going from there. I kind of just make sure everything is working, and so far it's looking really good. Just gonna cut those back pieces there, and then also just fill in these a little bit. Okay. And that's it, that's how we get it started. Start with a dry fit. We're gonna mix some mud and then actually start the whole process.